If you have forgotten your Bitcoin Core wallet password and do not remember it, there are two ways you can find its password. The first method is brute force with Hashcat, and the second method, which is quite faster, is padding oracle method. Brute forcing with Hashcat is ideal only if you remember some information about the password, as it tries trillions of combinations to find the password. Secondly, for quicker results, you require a handful of latest graphic cards and a powerful system, which would cost you around $3,000 to $5,000. The link to all the information and detailed discussions about Hashcat is given in the description of this video. Now we will have a look at the padding oracle method to find the password of a Bitcoin Core wallet. To understand padding oracle attack vulnerabilities, let's first go through CBC encryption decryption, which is used by Bitcoin Core. In CBC mode, each block of plaintext is XORed with the previous ciphertext block, before being encrypted. And thus after rounds of encryption, the encrypted hash of the plaintext is generated. Now let's look at the padding oracle attack. Let's suppose an attacker has been able to capture an encrypted message. In padding oracle attack, the Wallet.dat file acts as an oracle and returns a bad padding error in case the tried ciphertext has an invalid padding. So, if you have the hash of the password, you can manipulate the Wallet.dat file with padding oracle attack. The attacker can loop from 0 to 255 sequentially for every byte in the CA cipher until the oracle returns a valid padding message. When the padding is correct, the attacker only has to perform some XOR calculations to derive the value of the last byte of the original plain text. This gives them the last byte of the original password, and then they can move on to the second last byte and so on. While performing a padding oracle attack on a Wallet.dat file, you just need the highlighted hash of the wallet extracted from a tool called bitcoin2john.py. You can also use the script hashfinder.py to find the hash. Once you have the hash, you can use the script opattack.py to perform padding oracle attack on the Wallet.dat file to find its password. You can download the scripts from the link given in the description. For a new queries, you can write an email to the email address provided in the video as well as in the description.